Embark on an extraordinary journey to unleash the secrets of speed and transform your life into a high octane advantage. Speed is the most important part of our life. If you are like stay, if you are patient, so over patience, you are kind of like consistent guy and don't have any kind of speed of work, you will get your desired outcome might be, but there is a lot of thing you will miss. Therefore speed is the most important part of our body for our life. So even if you have speed, you will get a lot of things, you will get a lot of opportunities, so keep in mind that. So in this captivating video, we have distilled this essence of speed into mind-blowing blueprints that will help you. So keep in mind and attention, in this video I have some blueprint that will help you to becoming great, to becoming speeder in life. Whether you are aiming to tar- turbocharge your productivity, conquer catalogs at warp speed, or simply change your everyday efficiency, these strategies are your gateway to faster, more exhilarating existence. Are you ready to embrace the speed lifestyle? Maybe you are. So fasten your seatbelt as we dive into the art of swift success and productivity mastery. Accelerate your ambition and let's soar to new height together. Number one is mindset ignition. So mindset ignition, this is the most powerful thing of our body, in the life, in the planet. Mind is the powerful thing. Mind set ignition. You need to change your mindset that slow thing is not good. Only speed and some patience is needed in life. So you need to have some slogan, mindset ignition. Number two is prioritize your precision. Which work is prioritized in your day, you need to write down on paper that this work is so important for me. Write down that morning that when I wake up, I'm going to exercise, this is the priority, I need to exercise every day. If I don't do that, my body will push away to me. So every day do exercise, prioritize with precision. Whatever work is like, prioritize, you write down on paper. Number one, exercise. Number two, this task. Number three, this task. Number four, this task. Number one, you need to complete fast that, prioritize. This is the number two. Number three is take turbocharge. You need to use which technology, which apps, which software, which website is help you a lot of, you can use that, no problem. But you know if that help you a lot of, you can use lot of no problem. But if something is did addiction, you can quit that, you can cut out that apps, or any technology thing. Number four is master the art of multitask. If you are be master of art of multitask, that you right now walking and as well you talking with your boss, or your potential client, to like cold call or warm call, you are doing pirate, like master be multitasker. So it will help you like be speed in life. Multitask, what the meaning of that? 1 hour, you have 1 hour and you doing two work, and within 1 hour you finish both of. This is the multitask. So this is the thing. Number five is continuous learning. Learn. The more you learn, the more you earn. The more you learn, the more you earn. So how do you learn any kind of skill? You can take help of YouTube. You can take help of Udemy, any kind of course platform, or books that will help you to be learner. So number six is fuel fitness. If you have good fitness, If you have good fitness, it will help you to push on your like desired outcome, what you want in life. So this is the sixth thing that will help you maybe in your life. Number one is mindset ignition. Number two is prioritize with precision. Number three, take turbocharge. Number four is master the art of multitask. Number five is continuous learning. Number six is fitness fuel. So this is the mind-blowing blueprint that I have write down on my paper, and I'm saying according to my paper. That will help you if you listen me attention, if you listen me serious way, if you take this thing serious way, it 100% will help you. I just want your good thing, your well did. So see you later in the next video.